Here's how you can simply add an Instagram highlight without adding a story. So first up, click on your profile. Once you do that, click on these three lines right over here. And then scroll down. And under the who can see your content, click on the hide story and live option. Once you do that, select the hide story and live option. And then what you want to do now is that you want to select all your followers, and this is going to hide your story from all your followers. Now once you do that, click on the done option and then return, and then you can go back to your home page. And now you can post your story. You can click on the share option, and then make sure you click the add to highlights option, and then you can name your highlight. Then click on the add option, and then you can now click on the done option. So as you can see, here's your highlight right over here, but no one's going to be able to view it because you've blocked all your followers from viewing your highlights. So that's how you can simply add Instagram highlights without posting a story. So right now, as you can see, I've posted my highlight, but no one is going to see it because I've hidden all my followers from seeing it. But if you want to unblock your followers from seeing your highlights, so that they can see it in the near future, you can simply do back, or rather retrace the steps I showed you by clicking on these three lines and then scrolling down, and then click on the hide story and live again, and then click on this option and then deselect everybody, then click on the done option, and your followers should be able to see your highlights again. But if you don't want them to see your highlights, you can simply just block them from seeing your highlights, and that way they won't be able to see your highlights.